Sabi nga ni Jesus eh. I remember, Mark 10, verse 10. Pasinin niyo. Sa Marcos chapter 10, sa verse 28, ang sabi dito, that Peter began to say to him, "See, we have left all and followed you." Sabi ni Pedro, iniwan namin ang lahat at sumunod sa iyo. Iniwan namin ang lahat at sumunod sa iyo. Sabi ni Jesus, so Jesus answered and said, "Surely I say to you, there's no one who has left house or brothers or sisters or fathers or mother or wife or children or lands for my sake and the gospel, who shall not receive 100-fold now in this time." Tatanggap daw ng 100 ibayo now in this time. Pag nag-iwan ka ng anak, pag nag-iwan ka ng asawa, anak, magulang, tatanggap ka ng 100 ibayo now